Today I will show how to buy shares of Super Microcomputer Inc., a company that designs and manufactures high-performance servers and storage for data centers and cloud infrastructure. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SMCI, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy SMCI. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will normally verify your account by uploading an identity document and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SMCI to locate the listing. Select the Super Microcomputer Inc. result to open the asset page for the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker SMCI before moving forward. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review order details such as order type and total cost. If the market is closed, your order may queue until it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your SMCI position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account and follow the same steps.